what investment opportunities do we have today?
You know, everyone wants stable monthly income, and Dubai has always been the preference of people to invest, since the laws, rules and regulations are very much intact. So we also have couple of opportunities for people who want to earn, who want to invest in rental business and earn a stable income. So one of the option we have is that they can invest in our car rental business, where they can get a return up to 25%, uh, like starting from 21% to 25%, depends upon how much they invest, and they can get a monthly income on this. And this is one of the option which is for car rental. Other than this, they can invest in limousine business, where they can get a GMC car, 2 drivers, and all the RTA charges which are required to register the car as a limousine car, which can be driven on Uber, Careem, Bolt, Yango, all the applications, and 5-star hotels as well. So in the second option, they can invest minimum of 99,000, in which they will get a GMC car and 2 drivers. And okay, I'll explain you how the business model works. Approximately one driver is making the sale of 800 dirhams per day, and 2 drivers will make the sale of 1600, which will calculate to 48,000 per month revenue. Now, what will happen? Approximately 3,500 will be gone in the fuel charges, 6,000 will be gone in the salary of 2 drivers, and 16,500 will be paid for the installment of the car. And this is a super plan in which your installment is just for 2 years, and the car can be driven for 5 years. So 3 years after the first 2 years will be without installment. So what happens that in the first 2 years, when you reduce the expenses, which is 16,500 plus 6,000 for driver salary, plus 3,500 for the for your fuel charges and for maintenance, other things, this goes total to 27,000. So out of 48,000, 27,000 is gone for the expenses, and you will get approximately 21,000 for the first 2 years. 21,000 by investing 99,000 is a very good return, and you can cover your initial investment in 5.5 months approximately. The best part is that after 2 years, 11,500 installment will be reduced. So the expenses, which are 27,000, they will just remain 15,500. So your monthly income will boost from 21,000 to 32 or 33,000 every month. So from third, fourth, fifth year, it will be an additional 11,500 you will be making, because the car will be fully paid. And can you show them this? This is one of the example of the GMC, which is which this is the plan which can work for you. It's a high return investment, and for further details you can contact 055 375 4092, and you can also contact 052 9833 683. So 2 of our investment consultants can explain you in further details, and you can get this done from any part of the world, and wish you good luck. Thank you.